Salman Ka the Don. So, dear friends, Salman Ka, welcome to the world of Salman Ka, where meme culture meets blockchain innovation. Introducing Don, the meme coin inspired by the legendary Salman Ka family from the Breaking Bad universe American TV series, now making noise on the Binance Smart Chain. So, Salman Ka the Don is not just another token; it's a community-powered project with real meme energy and smart tokenomics, powered by the Binance Smart Chain. It offers lightning fast transaction with minimal fees. With a total supply of 1 billion token, Dawn has been distributed fairly, 80% to meme holders and 20% to the liquidity pool. Salman Ka the Dawn. Here is the link how you can buy the Dawn token. I will explain how you can buy, and here is the token address. Just copy the address, go to some exchange like Pancake Swap, and paste the address and get some credit in your wallet and start trading of the Dawn. Get it now on Pancake Swap. So dear friends, don't miss the chance, be part of this project, and this is going to be very full of opportunities project. You can get handsome profit and passive income inspired by the Salman Ka family cartel from Breaking Bad and Better Call Saul. So you must have seen the Breaking Bad series, American TV series, amazing program of the entertainment in the history of the American TV. This token is not just for the laughs, it's here to dominate the meme coin space on Binance Smart Chain. Ding ding ding, fuck the chicken man. King Salman Ka Dawn is seeing you, is watching you. Here you can check, you can go to the X, and here is the cartilonimex. So Salman Ka Muni, check out the details. So dear friends, here you can check the token name, here you can check the token symbol Dawn, and here is total supply that is equal to 1 billion. Salman Ka buy Dawn. So dear friends, here is the link from where you can buy Dawn, and here now I will explain how you can buy. So let's go to the Pancake Swap, and here you can see that it's a BNB chain project, and here first of all you can connect your wallet. Here you can see first of all you will have to connect your wallet, and here you can see that you can connect MetaMask, you can connect your Trust wallet, and here is available Binance wallet and Coinbase wallet. So first of all you will have to connect your wallet which suit you, and here you can see Pancake Swap platform and Dawn token is available, and here you can see that if you have 1 BNB you can buy 267663 amount of Dawn meme coins. So here is you can swap and you can swap and you can limit it. So it's amazing project, so don't miss the chance, be part of this project and get handsome profit from this project. So dear friends, it's amazing. So first of all, head over to Pancake Swap, connect your BSC compatible wallet, paste the token address which I have already explained to you, swap your BNB for Dawn and join the family. So this is very easy process and you don't miss the chance. Here you can check the trade, and here you can earn, and here you can check the bridge, and here you can play. So don't miss the chance. And here is an amazing feature of this project is Salman Ka the Dawn Telegram community. Real strength of Salman Ka lies in its community. Join our Telegram to chat with the fellow holders, get instant updates and vibe with the cartel. Follow us on and be part of our Telegram community. It's consisting of 20,000 active members. So be part of this community and get the real-time updates about the Salman Ka the Dawn. So Binance Smart Chain is waiting for you, and here is another amazing feature, that is Twitter page of Salman Ka the Dawn BSC. It's not just a meme, it's a movement. Get in early, stay connected. Follow us on Twitter for memes, announcements and big news drops. Community is everything, and Salman Khan the Don is strong. So don't miss the chance. Be part of this project as soon as early you get connected with this community and be part of this project. There are more and more chances to get profit from this project. So dear friends, don't miss the chance. And Salman Khan is not just a meme, it's a movement. Get in early, stay connected, and let's build something legendary. So dear friends, as you know that crypto and NFT project are highly volatile, so I am not your financial advisor, and this video is not for the financial advice, it's for just information and introduction. So do your own research before investment, and it's very necessary for you. Be part of Don Salman Khan and get handsome profit, and the opportunities are for waiting for you. All the links are given in the description of the video. If you have still any question in your mind, don't forget to drop your question in the comment section of the video. So thank you for watching the video. Let's catch